What's going on? I got the quickest and easiest mod you can do. Cheap on price, great for strengthening the front suspension on your IFS Toyota, Tacoma, Tundra, Sequoia, 4Runner. They're all going to be pretty similar. And that's basically building a little brace piece that goes in between this lower arm and the front. As you can see, the back one has one. There's no one in the front besides this upper piece, but you can still bend these. So basically made this piece, used an angle finder to get this angle. So the angle of this right here, and then use that on my tube. Boom. Once I found the angle, got the distance, this thing's just gonna slide right up in there, just like that. And then I'm just gonna clean this up and MIG weld around both sides, and that'll get solid strength, and I can attach and do a skid plate underneath. If you have a stock skid plate, I don't think it'll work because stock skid plate runs along this area. So if you do have a stock skid one, that's something to note. But yeah, this right here. Not exact dimensions, but if you get in the ballpark, you should be good. So the short side, that's why the angle's up, short. You're looking at 18 3/8 inches, including these little pieces. That's the entire length. And I flip it over, and the longer side is 19 11/16 from that to that. So if you want to build one yourself, super simple. Strengthen the front end of your Toyota.